Let's write a number, say 4. I write a number 4, and let me increase the pen size. Yeah, I just need to rub this off, and let's write down a number 4. Now, 4 actually means what? Either we can write it this way, 1 into 4, or we can write down 2 into 2. That means if I multiply two numbers and I get another number, and in this case, if I multiply a 1 and a 4, or if I multiply 2 with 2, that means these numbers that you see over here, 1, 2, and 4, are the factors of 4. Now, suppose so I write down factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Now, since 2 is repeated twice, we don't need to write down 2 two times. So, is this clear about the factors? Let's go to another example. Let's take the number 24. So, 24 can be written as 1 into 24. It can be written as 2 into 12. It can be written as 3 into 8. It can be written as 4 into 6. I don't think anything else is possible for writing 24. So now many of us have a habit of writing it this way, 24 equal to, and then we write down the factor. This is not the way we should write. So what exactly we need to write when we do all these, finding out about the factors. So we have to write it in a statement wise, and you will write down factors of 24 are, and then you write down like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are the factors of 24. So if we multiply any two numbers, in this case, if I multiply a 1 and a 24, the product of these two numbers is 24. So all these numbers that you see are called the factors of 24. So let's take another number. Let's take 35. 35 can be written as 1 into 35. It can be written as 5 into 7. I hope this is clear. I don't think any other number is possible. So I write down like this: factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, and 35. So this is the way we write down factors. I hope this is clear. Let's take another number. Say if I take a number 29. Now we can write it as 1 into 29. Is there any other factors of 29? No. So we can write down factors of 29 are 1 and 29. So this is how we actually bring down factors. Obviously, the first thing for writing down or knowing the factors, we have to know the tables in a proper manner. We have to know the tables, and then factors will become very easy. Let's learn what multiples are. So let's take a number again as examples. Let's take the number 7. To write down the multiples of 7, multiples are nothing but simple tables. So what do I write down, or how do I rather write it down? We write down like this: multiples of 7 are 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, and it goes on and it goes on. Let's write down the multiples of say 11. So you write down like this: multiples multiples of 11 are 11 ones are 11, then you have 11 twos are 22, 33, 44, and it goes on till the numbers you're asked for. You are not going to write 11 is equal to 11 or 22. This is not the way. This is incorrect, because 11 is not equal to, this is absolutely incorrect. Please do not write this. 11 is not equal to 11, 22, and 33. This equal to sign is a very important sign, and we need to be very careful when we are using this particular sign. Let's write down the multiples of, say, uh, 13. So you write down the multiples of 13 are, so you'll write down multiples of 13 are, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, and it goes on like this. So let's suppose there's a question that is asked. Uh, Write down the first six multiples of 9. So how do I write it down? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. End over here, because you are required only 6 multiples. You don't need to write extra multiples over here. That means till 9 six are, this is to be done. I hope this is clear. Let's do another one, and then we'll understand what it. Suppose if you are given a question, write down the odd multiples of 3. Say the first 5 odd multiples of 3. How do you do this? First of all, we need to, if you want, you can write down all the multiples of 3 first. So you just write down, say, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then you write down all the multiples of 6, sorry, 3. And then, say, I've written down all the multiples, say at least till 30. Okay. And if you are very good in your tables, you can directly write it down also. That's not a problem. So you go on writing like this, and it obviously should go on. Now over here, it is given the first 5 odd multiples. So what you need to do, you can circle it: the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So the first 5 odd multiples of 3 are 3, 9, 15, 21, and 27. So there can be various types of question. First of all, read the question. Once you read the question, things becomes very easier. So whenever you're solving any sort of maths questions, the best thing is to first spend a minute reading what is asked. Once you read, things will be very easy for you if you know the process properly. Do not jump into solving the sums first. First, read the sum, because reading is very important. It actually solves half of the problem or whatever is asked for you. You have to read it. So I hope factors and multiples are clear. Next topic would be prime numbers and composite numbers, and maths terminologies related to that. Thank you. Have a good day.